This is the foundation that I chose to wear to the event, and I can't even tell you how many people like looked up close at me and they were just like, your skin is amazing. Your skin looks poreless, or like, oh my gosh, your skin is flawless. If I lost all of my makeup today, this is the foundation I would run out and buy immediately. Today's video was originally gonna be a refresh on like my top foundations, but then I ran into a small problem. I've been wearing one foundation for months. And if you guys know me, you know that I love foundation. Like, it's the thing, besides lipsticks, that I spend the most money on. I love to try new foundations. I love to film reviews for you guys, and I have been this way for years. And it wasn't until I came across the foundation that I'm gonna share with you today that I stopped really caring about other foundations, which is so weird for me to say. So I figured, you know what, even though it's not like a huge lineup of foundations, and if you guys want to see, you know, a more in-depth roundup of a lot of different formulas that I like, I will do that in the future, but I really do feel like this foundation specifically deserves its own little spotlight because to me, I feel like I don't even need to buy another foundation again. Like, this is it for me. At least right now, with how I like to do my makeup and how my skin is and how, you know, this foundation wears on me, I really feel like I don't need to look any further for the perfect foundation for me. I've talked about it so many times on my channel, but I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about it, and I'm also gonna show you like an in-depth tutorial, I guess, on like how I apply this and how it looks. We'll apply it to half the face so you can really see the difference. The foundation that I'm talking about, if you haven't guessed already, is this one right here from NARS. Now, this is their Light Reflecting Foundation. The full name is like the Light Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation, so I guess it's supposed to have a lot of skincare ingredients in here. This, to me, is a life-changing foundation. Now, let me make a little disclaimer. Foundations are like mascaras. You know, each person has to kind of try their own and figure out what works for them depending on their skin type and how their skin reacts with certain products and other products you're using with it. So, to give you some context on my skin, I have combination normal skin. I tend to get a little oily in the T-zone, and then the sides of my face are pretty normal. Since I've cleared up my acne over the past couple of years, I really don't reach for super full coverage foundations all that often anymore. Don't get me wrong, there's a time and a place. This one to me is more of like a medium coverage foundation. It's like light to medium depending on how much you use. This retails for $49 US and it's available in 36 shades. The perfect match for me is L2 Mont Blanc. I wanted to kind of look into some of the skincare ingredients that are in here so I can let you know what it's supposed to do. So it's described as a breathable, medium buildable foundation that instantly conceals redness in dark spots and blurs wrinkles, pores, and texture. I find that it really does, which I'll show you in a minute. It's supposed to be 70% skincare ingredients, which is really cool. It says it's for most skin types, including sensitive, and it's supposed to have an all-day wear, which for me, it does. I really do love how this wears on me. Some of the skincare ingredients are biomimetic oat. I'm not sure what that is, but it's supposed to help with redness. Japanese lily turf helps to maintain the skin barrier. And then there's cacao peptides and milk thistle, which helps against blue light and other environmental stressors. So that's like a little bit about like the skincare part of this. But you guys, this foundation is so incredible. Let me just show you how it looks on the skin. I kid you not, I've been using this nonstop for months. Like, ever since I tried it, this is my go-to foundation. You know, I will say my one complaint, and this is a little bit of a more recent thing, but my foundation cap kind of explodes a little bit. I think it might be broken. I'm not quite sure, but it kind of makes a mess now, which is not ideal. I do love that it comes with a pump and you have a glass bottle. So I usually do about 2 pumps to cover the whole face. So for half the face, let's just start with 1 pump so I can show you. I just pick it up with a brush first, and I'm just gonna start to apply this on half of my face using my brush. And you can see it just kind of blurs out any redness. I'm gonna use just a little bit more. I'm gonna do another like half pump because I do have quite a bit of redness on my cheeks. So I like to layer it up there to just cancel everything out. And then I always like to take my sponge and just press it in. I feel like this is the perfect color match for me. So here you go. This is what it looks like on half of my face. Here's the side that does not have foundation on it, obviously. And you can see that my skin has the same finish on this side as it does on this side. So it looks very skin-like. The redness on my skin is toned down. It has a little bit of a luminous finish to it, but since I set the face with powder, I find that it's not like overly luminous. It just looks really healthy. And if you look closely, it's seriously one of the most undetectable foundations that I've ever experienced. I Love this. I love it so much. Obviously, I'm making a whole video on it, but I think it's just one of the best, if not the best foundation out there right now. Like if I were a working makeup artist, this is the foundation that I would splurge on to have in my kit. It's that good. So let's go ahead and even things out on the other side. I know I told you guys recently that I went to LA for a rare beauty event, and this is the foundation that I chose to wear to the event, and I can't even tell you how many people like looked up close at me and they were just like, your skin is amazing. Your skin looks poreless, or like, oh my gosh, your skin is flawless. First of all, you know it's a compliment when they say your skin is when you're wearing foundation and primer and concealer, because that means that the products that you're using look skin-like. But every time somebody said that to me, I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. But it's the makeup. I swear it's the makeup. Like you guys saw, like I deal with redness. I deal with larger pores in this area. I still do also deal with blemishes on occasion, not as much as I used to. But you'll see, like even my blemishes are nice and blurred with this foundation. And even though my skin is imperfect, I feel like this foundation is the secret. I feel like this is why I get the compliments. Because it looks like skin. When you look super close, you can't tell that it's like a nice layer of foundation. It just looks so good. I wanted to show you, I took just a little bit more on my sponge to show you how it builds up if you needed a little more coverage. I think it builds up beautifully, which is really great. Especially if you're like me and your skin kind of changes frequently with either being super clear sometimes, or maybe you have blemishes and redness on other days. It's a really good versatile foundation that way that you can kind of sheer out or build up depending on your needs. I also love how this is great for every day. It's also amazing for special occasions, which is why I feel like it's truly the last foundation I would ever need. In the past, I've had, certain foundations for certain occasions, which I still do in a way. But honestly, recently, this is my every occasion foundation. Whether I'm trying to just do something really simple and no makeup-y, I reach for this and I wear it to a rare beauty event, It's very versatile. I love it. All right, let me get up close for you guys. Hopefully you can see everything. And you can obviously see, like, I have pores. But there's something about this foundation that really just smooths everything out. I also find that it doesn't settle into my fine lines. If it does, it's a very, very minimal amount at the very end of the day. And it just covers up the redness around the nose. Like, I can't say enough good things about this. If I lost all of my makeup today, this is the foundation I would run out and buy immediately. Something else I love about this foundation is it layers on top of every primer I've ever tried, every sunscreen I've ever tried. I actually really appreciate how there's not sunscreen in here, so I can layer my favorites underneath. It just works well, like it plays well with other makeup, which is so wonderful, I feel like that's another reason why I've been reaching for it so often, because I switch up my primers and I switch up all my other products so frequently, and this has just never not worked, which is amazing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup so you guys can see how everything looks once I've used concealer and powder and all of that. So I'll come back once it's all done so you can see the final look. But in the meantime, doesn't my skin look so healthy? Come on, I don't know. I can't say enough good things. I love it. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I'm back. I applied the rest of my makeup and here's what everything looks like. I love how I'm still able to get kind of a fresh glow, even though I set the entire face with powder always. That really helps with longevity with any foundation, in my opinion. I didn't use a setting spray today so you could really see how everything looks. I did use a cream blush, but I did put powder on top of it, so what you're seeing is mostly the foundation glow, which I love. I also thought it'd be fun to do a pop of color on the lips because, I don't know, there's something about like hot pink in this color that I thought would be cute. So I know you guys are probably gonna ask, since this lip color is kind of wild. This is the Lisa Eldridge lipstick in the shade Velvet Carnival. It's so fun. I don't think I own anything like this. It's such a good color. But yeah, this foundation, you guys, truly, if I had to choose just one foundation out of my entire collection, and I have tried hundreds of foundations. Like I said, I buy foundations all the time to review. They're my favorite thing to try out, and the fact that I've stopped trying out foundations, or even if something's good, I still end up using this. I pack this with me on every trip and I use it every single day. It's good. It's amazing. I love it, and I want to know if you guys are loving this as much as I am. Obviously, again, foundation is very personal, so if this works for you, I want to know in the comments down below, and if you've tried this and it didn't work for you, I want to also hear from you because foundations are very, very personal, but for me personally, if you have a similar skin type as me, and you have not tried this yet, I highly recommend checking it out because it's one of the most magical things I've ever put on my face, truly. And I get so many compliments, you guys, every time I wear it. People think I have the most perfect skin in the world, which, you know, I take good care of my skin, but it's not perfect. It's very far from perfect. So this is the secret to making people think that your skin is perfect. You know what I mean? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know if you've watched my videos before, you would have seen me use this foundation, but it deserved its own video at this point because I cannot get enough of it. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this in action and seeing a little bit more of an in-depth video on it. This is available at a few different retailers, so I'll have all the places linked in the description box down below. You can get it at Sephora, Ulta, on their website, and I'll link anything that I can find if you're interested in trying it out. Since I love trying foundations though, if there's a foundation that you are obsessed with right now that's not this one, let me know in the comments down below as well. I would love to hear from you guys. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it for me today. I hope you all have an amazing day wherever you are. Let me know if you end up trying this and how you like it, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye.